What's up, YouTube? Cell Phones Rock here, and I'm actually here in my room, but I'm actually doing a video, like a vlog. It's because I actually got something new for my desk. If you notice, I have a computer right here, and if you notice, I have brand new dual speakers. They were like $30. I'm just moving around the camera. Last hour away, but this stuff is really good. Really good. Let me turn on an extra light. Okay, well I turn on an extra light over there. So I got brand new dual speakers by Xcellon. If you can see the company branding there. Well, these are actually different style than some speakers you see today. The reason why is because they actually serve, if you can see, those 5 dots and hang on, 6. There are 6 in there. So what they really do is, well, they actually, those are actually lights and jets in there. You'll see why in a sec. As you see, these things are off right now. Okay. Well, they're on now, so only audio can come through. But if I turn on effects, watch this. Yeah, that's right. They spray water. So, like every time a beat comes in, like the water from each jet will like spring some water up. So today, I'm actually gonna do a sound test of them. Okay, so as before, I got these brand new speakers, and I'm gonna do a sound test of them. So the demonstration, to prevent any copyright videos, I'm actually gonna use an old device of mine, my iPod Nano, the 7th generation, 16 gig blue, first one to come with Bluetooth, along with the home button. So what I'm gonna do is play some music. So let me see if I can get this in. There we go. Okay, it's now hooked up. So it's 7:44 in the evening on May 4th on a Monday. So what I'm gonna do is play "Never Gonna Give You Up" by Rick Astley. So, okay, in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If you can listen close enough, you can hear the motors going to power the jets. So this was the sound. So this is like a overview of the Xcellon water dancing speakers. So that wraps up our video. And please comment and subscribe below. And as always, peace out.